Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Craigslist if the phone verification has failed. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So if you're opening it up, it's going to open up this main page right here from where we can get started browsing every category that we need. In the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for a new account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go and log in normally. So let's go and take a look at what you do if you cannot even log in because you keep getting the error that the phone verification cannot be completed. You do not keep getting the code or something similar. So let's go and see what can be done. So basically guys, the only option that you have in those cases, if you're using your own number, your correct number, and you are not using some fake number or redirect number, that could be causing the problem. If you're using your own mobile device number and you still keep getting the error or you keep getting no message for confirmation, you want to get in touch with Craigslist support. Go to craigslist.org/contact right here, and it's going to enable you to open up any of the sections right here. You're going to have technical support, and this is going to enable you to take a look at all the options you have. I'm having trouble responding or something similar. We are going to be using any help with my Craigslist account or confirmation emails and so on. If you need any help with logging in, get in touch with them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.